You're in trouble, Polly.
And I demand bail and birdseed.
Oh, man, that's a first.
Why are you smiling like that?
I know secrets about your dancing video.
Oh, no.
Are you staring at me?
Guilty. No need for trial.
Ha!
Oh, wow.
Polly, will you marry me?
Squawk!
Depends. Do you cook?
Order!
Oh, forget it.
Cook. That's evidence!
Not anymore. It's a snack.
Polly, behave or I'll cuff you.
Oh, you cuff everyone you like?
What? Oh, come on. Oh, that's priceless. You're unbelievable,
You started it. Order. Oh, forget it. Carry on.
Who authorized you as an expert witness?
My confidence did.
Order. Let's try to keep it professional, folks.
Professional is my middle name.
Polly, stop influencing the officer.
I'm just teaching him how to think.
Oh, man. Can't help it.
Do you swear to tell the truth?
I swear I'm funnier than everyone here.
Ladies and gentlemen, this frame right here, fruit all over the street, stalls overturned. That's clear proof the Parrot caused the chaos.
Objection!
To your face.
That's just jealousy, officer. Huh. Order. Oh, let him laugh. Go on.
State your name and purpose.
Name?
Polly,
Purpose.
make this court entertaining.
Officer,
Sorry, Your Honor.
let's try to keep it orderly.
Do you even understand court procedures?
I understand you've been reading the same page for 10 minutes.
Oh, no, that's good. Oh, I can't even.
Snacks!
In the gym?
They're undercover protein.
Cookies aren't protein.
They are when I say bro before eating.
You're ridiculous.
Bro.
Oh, wow.
That right there, that's your motivation.
My motivation is snacks. Sarcastic.
That's not training. That is survival.
Heart rate's high.
Huh?
Because she walked past. What? No, shut up. Your heart already confessed.
Polly, do you have a flirting license?
Huh? Nope, I flirt without limits.
That's illegal.
So is breaking hearts.
Who looks stronger? Me, I flex with personality. Ha! Natural charisma, no supplements.
Cardio is killing me.
It's just exposing your lifestyle. Ha! And your breathing.
Oh man,